Let's go over some common easy dispense issues and how to fix them. First, make sure the easy dispense is on by checking the indicator. If the indicator lights are off, press detergent level or softener level button to turn the easy dispense back on. Your easy dispense may be dispensing too much or too little detergent or softener. Check out our how to use the easy dispense video if you need help setting the quantities. If the easy dispense indicator is blinking and you hear the refill alarm, check the compartments. Make sure you have plenty of detergent or softener. If you are running low, fill the compartment up to the max line. If the indicator continues to blink, there could be a detergent or softener buildup. In this case, try cleaning the easy dispense compartments. You should also clean the easy dispense if you see the ITA 1 or ITA 3 error code on your display. Remove the drawer and clean it with warm water and a soft brush. While cleaning, make sure the ventilation holes are not clogged up with hardened detergent or softener. Be sure the drawer and compartments are dry before reinserting it. Reinsert the easy dispense drawer. Refill the compartments. Close the easy dispense drawer. If the ITA 1 or ITA 3 error code or refill alarm doesn't disappear, call your LG service center for support. You may be experiencing leakage inside the easy dispense compartments. First, check whether the easy dispense drawer might be tilted. Also check if the lids are securely tightened. Insert the drawer making sure it is horizontal and not tilted. Make sure the drawer is fully closed and you are done.